All right, I'm going to show you how to make a cool email signature in Command. So I'm talking about an email signature where you can have your photo, brokerage logo, contact info, and have clickable links. So the easiest way to do this, if you don't know HTML code, is just to head over into Google Docs. So it's docs.google.com. I'd recommend doing this from within the account that you are going to create the email signature for, just to reduce any friction. And go ahead and create a blank document. All right, once this loads up, go ahead and give it a title. So we're going to go email signature. And now in our document, we're going to go to insert, and we're going to insert a table. And you can make it as big as you want. I would just recommend starting with a 2x1 table. All right, so we've got our table here. Then let's go ahead and make it a little bigger. So we're going to drag this down, and we're going to drag this over to about maybe 25%. So you've got, 25%, 75% versus a 50-50 split, because we're going to put our photo on the left and contact info on the right. Now click inside this first cell, go up to insert and image. Here you're going to go ahead and put in your headshot. So I've got mine saved right here on my desktop, and open. Now it's going to put that in. If you want a different shape, if you want to make it square, you want to crop it, you can right click on it and you can crop and adjust. I'm just going to leave mine like this for now. Now over in the right cell, we're going to go ahead and put in the info that we want in our signature. It's up to you if you want your email address in there. I mean, this is in your email signature, so in theory they have your email address, but we'll go ahead and put it in. And let's say I wanted to link to my website. Go ahead and put that in. Okay, so now that I've got it in, we're going to format this the way we want. So let's make this bold. We'll make that like 20. I don't think we can. I'm going to get rid of this one here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and highlight anything I want if it didn't become clickable, and go up to the insert link. And this is where I'd go in and I'd put in my website. And if it doesn't come up, the easiest thing is to go to your website and copy the link. That'll ensure you're creating a clickable one. Let's put that in and hit apply. And now for phone number, you can copy your phone number, click the link, and do TEL : space and paste your phone number. Hit apply. That should make it clickable so that when somebody calls it, yep, it worked. So when somebody clicks it from their phone, it'll open up and call. Now, if I wanted any other formatting in here, I certainly could do that. If I wanted to insert a horizontal line as a divider, or maybe you want to make your name a different color. Feel free to do that. If you do custom and you want KW red, it is B40101. Now, once you've got it the way you want it, with all the links and all the info you have it in there, the links, you'll know they're links because they'll be blue and underlined. So we've got this all set. Okay, so we're going to right click on our table, go to table properties. We're going to change the color of the border to white so it goes away. And you can take this thickness and you can turn that down to 0. Now you have no border, you've just got your signature set up. Okay, so to put in your brokerage logo, and if you want to put in any social media logos, let's do that next. So let's say I want to put my brokerage logo down below this. I'm just going to click either at the end here or down below if I've already hit return. And I am going to insert again and go to image, upload from computer. Got my brokerage logo saved here on my desktop and hit open. Now that came in really big, so let's shrink that down. Okay, so now let's add some social media icons. If you want to put them just below this, you can click after your other logo and hit enter and put them there. Or if you wanted to get them down below your photo, Then right click, inside of where that table area is. And if you're not sure where it is, just click here in the middle, go to table properties and turn that border back on so you can see what you're doing. Then right click in the table and insert a row below. So now we've got a row below where we can add our social media icons. Now let me show you a really cool website where you can find some icons to use. That website is icons8, so ICONS, the number 8, icons8.com. Head over here and go to social media, just hit enter. Here you're going to get some standard ones. You can browse around and find all kinds of really cool designs on here, but we're going to go with standard ones for this. Let's add Facebook. So click on Facebook. Okay, so let's click download. Just check the smallest size. 48 by 48 is what I'd recommend because that's what you'll find in pretty much all the designs. Hit download. And let's go back and get Instagram. Download that one. And let's get one more here. Let's get LinkedIn. All right, click download again and 48 by 48, perfect. All right, so we've got our icons to use. Back to the email signature Google Doc. Click in the cell below your picture, insert, image, upload from computer. Downloads, let's select Facebook, insert image, Instagram, insert image, LinkedIn. Okay, now that's a little big. I'm going to make them smaller, so I am going to right click on the Facebook icon and go to image options. You can drag it smaller, but you're going to struggle with trying to get them all to be the exact same size. So by right clicking and going to image options, you can adjust that here. So let's try 0.3 and that'll adjust that. Okay. And then just click on the next icon. Let's do 0.3 and 0.3. I can click in the cell and choose to center the cell. So I get those icons centered there. Now we're going to right click in the table again and go to our table properties to make sure that we get that border set to white and 0 again so the border disappears. Awesome. The only thing we have left to do is to click the image and to make it a link. So to do this, I'm going to need to go to my Facebook, go to my profile or my business page, whatever I want to link to. So let's say I'm going to go to my profile. Copy that link. Now that I've got this selected, click on link up here and paste. Now I'm going to go to my Instagram, copy that profile link, click Instagram, insert the link there. Same thing with my LinkedIn profile. Click on that, insert the link. Now that I've got all of them, I'm ready to apply this signature. Now, if you do Control A or Command A, that should select all. And Control C or Command C if you're on a Mac. So I'm going to do Control C and copy this. I'm going to head over into my email, click on the gear in the top right corner, and see all settings. When the settings loads up, you're going to go down about 3/4 of the way down, and you may not have any signatures in here yet. That's okay. We're going to click Create New. My new signature. This name is just for you, so go ahead and put that in. Nobody's going to see it. And now you're going to go in here. I like to hit Enter 1 or 2 times, and then I'm going to paste. And there we go. Now make sure that you go for your signature defaults and select your signature. And on reply forward, if you want it there too, select it. And I always recommend clicking this checkbox to insert the signature before the 2 lines. Go down to the bottom and hit save. Once that's done, Hit compose, and you should see your new signature. Clickable links, pretty easy to get that set up versus having to learn HTML code or versus hiring somebody off of Fiverr to create that for you. So there you have it.